Be honest. When you open Google today and search for something, do you actually scroll or you read the AI answer and move on? If your website, your business, your content, your application, or your product is not showing in these AI answers, it means you basically don't exist for a lot of people. And don't exist mean even if you have the best product, the best content, your business will fail. Today, we will change that. I built a free Google AIO toolkit to help you track and optimize your web pages to rank and get mentioned in these Google AI snippets. And the best part, I will give you this toolkit totally for free so you can run and use it locally on your PC. If you are ready, let's get started. Jump into my toolkit, the Google AIO toolkit I built for you. So here you can see we have the keywords section. These are simply the keywords like your website name, your business name, your product name, maybe your competitors, or simply any keyword you want to track. So for example, I want to track my website, my course name, and to help you understand this and how I built it, let's go and see an example. If you open now Google, and let's say I want to search for this. What is the best course on building SaaS on WordPress? And let's go with AI mode to ensure we get an AI result. You can see here that Google returned my course, WordPress SaaS 2.0 by Learn with Hassan. So here, the keywords I want to track is WordPress SaaS 2.0, Learn with Hassan, and my website. These are called the keywords or the mentions, and this is the search query. Now the question is, if we have like 100 keywords, 1,000 keywords, how we can automate this process and track these mentions. Of course, we are not going to do this manually. Hopefully, I found Scraping Dog, a website that provides a lot of API endpoints, and I was really so happy when I found their Google AI mode API. So you can programmatically automate the process and check the rankings on AI for hundreds of keywords, maybe thousands of keywords. Let me show you this. So here in the dashboard, let's go to Scraper APIs, and you can see here Google AI mode. You just enter a keyword, for example, the best course on building SaaS on WordPress, and you will see here we have the parameters. You can set the country if you want, and then start scraping. So now we can get the AI result through this API endpoint. You can see here, this is the result in JSON. So we can easily integrate in our apps. And this is what I did. I simply integrated with my toolkit here. So if you go now to the dashboard, you will see I can run tracking now. What will happen when I click on this, we are going to search with Google AI mode and get the results using Scraping Dog and check if our keywords are mentioned. And you can see we got 5 mentions. If you go to the keywords again, you will see that each keyword, how many checks and how many mentions we got. So we have queries, we have keywords, and we have Scraping Dog API engine. We just automate the process and we have this awesome application to track our mentions. Now the second big question is, how do we know the queries that we need to track? How we can predict what people may enter on Google to find your products and pages. This is where the second tool, the query generator, comes. Generate queries from URLs. Again, the idea is super simple. Here we have 2 building blocks for this tool. We have again a scraper and AI. Let's go back to Scraping Dog, and you will see here in the APIs, we have the general scraper. This is an awesome tool, awesome API, allows you to scrape any web page and return markdown. So you can pass with the AI to understand your web page. So let's say I want to rank wbuilderschool.com, this website where I host my course on building SaaS on WordPress. I will get this link and paste it here, and then simply start scraping. It will return back the full web page in a structured way, you see, in an MD format. I just integrated this API and passed the markdown to an AI. To help you understand this, I'll do the operation manually. So I copy the response here. I will open ChatGPT. I will say here web page and paste the content. And I will use now a very basic prompt to help you understand the concept. Analyze this web page and generate queries people might search to find it. So we gave it the page content and we ask AI to generate queries that people might use to find this web page. We enter, and this is what we are automating in our application. You see here ChatGPT is giving a lot of queries. And now if we enter the API here, this is exactly what will happen. I will click on generate queries. It will read the web page using Scraping Dog, analyze it with AI, and suggest search queries that users might use powered by AI. Let's see the magic. Perfect, you see here? And simply I can check what queries I want and import, and then we will see them here in the queries page. It's that simple. Now the most crucial question is, okay, we are tracking our mentions, but how in the first place we can optimize our website and web pages to rank on Google AI snippets? Here where the AI audit tool comes. Again, we are using Scraping Dog here, but now we use HTML because we want the full HTML code of the page so we can analyze to see if it's optimized or not. Start scraping, and you'll see now we have the full HTML code of the page. So now we can check for metadata, we can check for everything in this page so we can optimize and generate a detailed report. So after that, what I do is I copy this and I go through two steps, as we did here with analyzing for search queries. We analyze with AI and we do an automated checklist to verify that our web pages contain things like JSON-DL, structured data, facts, TLDRs, and everything that helps optimize and track our page on AI snippets. So again here, we enter the URL of the web page, click Run AIO Audit. Wait a couple of seconds. So again here we are calling Scraping Dog, scraping the web page in HTML mode, analyzing the full web page, and generating detailed report you will see right now. Perfect. I got 79, not bad. So you can see technical SEO is good, semantic HTML needs improvements. And if you go down here, we have the top improvement sections, what to add, what to do. We have technical analysis in depth. What do you have? What do you need to optimize? We have the content analysis with the scores. We have retrieval features. We have semantic signals. Everything needed for the AI to understand your page and rank it in AI snippets. Now let me show you in 1 minute how to run this project locally on your PC. In the description below you'll find a link to download the project files, open in VS Code, and make sure Python is installed, and simply say python-mvenv to create a virtual environment. Then simply activate it, scripts, activate. I will leave all the comments and the full guide in the description also if you want to follow up step by step. Now create a super user, say python manage.py, create super user, like creating your admin account in the application, and simply enter your username, for example, admin1, anything, my email, and enter a password. Perfect. And now to run the application, say python manage.py run server. That's it. You will get this one open. It will ask you to log in. Just enter the username and password you create, and we will be inside the application. We are not done yet. Google AI results is one AI model out of many out there. We have ChatGPT, we have Claude, we have Meta, we have many AI models. And if you want to get the maximum exposure and traffic from all AI models, you need also to optimize for those models. And in this video, I show you how you can rank on top of ChatGPT. Go now, learn AIO, and start optimizing for 2026 and beyond. If you learned something new today, smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.